Hi everyone, this is Daniel Scranton, and I'm going to channel the Arcturian Council. Greetings. Well, the Arcturian Council. Well, pleased to is, is, we are giving you as much as we can in any given moment. But you can give yourselves everything. There are no restrictions, no limitations. When what you are receiving is from within, now we will always attempt to assist you with unlocking and opening those doors to the inner realm that can and will eventually grant you everything. We are talking about everything that you are and all of your gifts and abilities, as well as everything you want in the external world. It is all inside of you, and that is not just something we say. It is instead something we know to be true in a very real way. If you look at your environment as a projection, then you can start to get an idea of how this is possible. Everything that you experience comes from your own energy, the projection of your own consciousness. You are showing yourself what is inside of you when you witness the outside world. If you see people arguing, then even if you are not arguing with people in your life, there is a lot of internal dialogue that holds that same vibration as the argument you are witnessing. If you want to manifest something, then you have to offer the vibration of it rather than offering the vibration of the lack of it in your experience. And we know that is easier to do. It is easier to look outside of yourself and say, well, this is just how it is. This is the world I am in. It is a bit more challenging to admit that this is the world you are creating and projecting. And it takes some real courage to take responsibility for everything that you see and experience out there, and then do something about it. Once you realize that the infinite and the eternal are inside of you, then you have to accept it all. You have to be willing to embrace all aspects of yourself instead of judging and criticizing who and what you are. And then you get to choose from all that is inside of you who and what you want to activate. And the choices are limitless. They will only seem limited if you believe what everyone else is telling you about yourself. Including your own mind. Your own ego can work against you by not wanting to admit that you are so much more than you appear to be. Start believing in yourselves and in your abilities to put out into the world everything you want to experience and to become everything you want to become. And it will be so. The other way of living is an unconscious way. And it doesn't work very well for those who are moving through life believing that they are the small ego and that the world is so chaotic and confusing. When you realize what you have the power to do, then it is up to you to use that power. And because you all have the ability to focus, to feel, to think, and to activate what you want to, we know that you can and you will. Well, the Arcturian Council. And we have enjoyed connecting with you. Hi, everybody. Thanks for watching. Namaste. Hope you're doing well. Hope your week's going well. Had a nice little walk yesterday afternoon with Talea after work. Fed the horse, Jethro, and she made us take breaks again, which she did the last time I took her by myself, and it's really fun to do that, to just sit on the grass sometimes and not be so goal oriented, like, no, we're gonna walk the whole thing, we're gonna walk as much as we can. So we gave my wife a break from having to, mother, and she stayed home and took care of some of her own things that she likes to do by herself, and it was really great. We had a nice dinner together, and Talay, you should see how many dolls this girl has now. Her grandmother, my mother-in-law, has been just sending gift after gift after gift. I don't know what kind of lottery she won, but it's just been like, you should see it's insane how many dolls she has now. And she loves it. She's always walking around with them, asking me to carry them over here and put them on the table with us, and make them dance. And we started to, if any of you have ever heard my story, when all my channeling stuff, you know that I took voice lessons at one time, and my voice coach actually contacted me today. So it's kind of funny because yesterday on the walk on Thompson Road, I was singing, and she sings too a little, but she'll ask me to do it more so than she will. The song Cheek to Cheek by originally by some guy, I can't remember his name. I want to say Louis Armstrong, but I don't know if that's right. And the Lady Gaga Tony Bennett version is the one we listened to. So I looked up the lyrics on my phone and was singing that on the walk, which was fun. And then I gave a little demonstration to my wife too, and we got home. Of course, I kind of flubbed some of the lyrics because that's still new to me, but that's a lot of fun to do with her. I have some announcements. I have group healing, a sound, light language, and Reiki healing session tomorrow, Thursday, the 21st danielscranton.com/group healing. What else do I have? I have Accessing and Developing Your Spiritual Gifts course. Starts on the 30th of this month of April. That's at danielscranton.com/gifts. And links down below on the YouTube description. And I have my books on Amazon. Ascension, the Shift to the Fifth Dimension. There's the link to the 4th volume down there. These are available in hardcover, paperback, and Kindle on Amazon. What did I watch last night? I started rewatching Hawkeye, the Marvel show. Really good. Haley Steinfeld. I've liked her in everything I've seen her in. I haven't watched Dickinson, though. I don't know. I have a hard time going that far back in time and getting into stuff. Emily Dickinson, period. But that show is really great. And even though I kind of remember it, the action sequences are so good. I just wanted to watch it again. I'm waiting for my shows that are only on once a week to come back. And what else did I watch an episode of? It was something else. Oh, I'm rewatching Flight Attendant because there's season 2. I think season 2 will start tomorrow on HBO Max. So I'll rewatch the whole first season first. And that's pretty much it. That's what's going on here. I hope everything's good with you. I love you guys. Namaste. Blessings to you and yours. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel wherever you can see a little subscribe dealy. And everywhere else, you can just come back tomorrow, Thursday. I'll do one more tomorrow. Oh, I'm pointing at this thing I need to click. Bye.